Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD, back with another review. Today we're diving into the world of streaming with the Google TV Streamer 4K. This isn't just another streaming stick, it's Google's vision for the future of home entertainment, and let me tell you, it's impressive. We've seen a lot of streaming devices, but Google's really stepping it up with this one. From its powerful specs to its sleek design and intuitive interface, the Google TV Streamer 4K is all about delivering an unparalleled entertainment experience. Let's break it down. Whether you're a casual streamer or a die-hard cinephile, this device has something for everyone. Over the next few sections, we'll explore what makes the Google TV Streamer 4K a game-changer in the world of home entertainment. So, buckle up, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk specs. The Google TV Streamer 4K packs some serious power under the hood. It's powered by a super-fast processor that ensures smooth streaming and lag-free navigation. Trust me, navigating through menus and apps is lightning fast. But the real star of the show is the 4K Ultra HD resolution with support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This translates to stunning picture quality with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. And let's not forget the immersive audio experience that Dolby Atmos brings to the table. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or your favorite streaming show, the Google TV Streamer 4K delivers an audio-visual experience that's second to none. It's like having a mini cinema right in your living room. And the best part? Setting it up is a breeze. Simply plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. It's that simple. One of the things that sets the Google TV Streamer 4K apart is its focus on personalization. From the moment you fire it up, you're greeted with a personalized home screen that curates content recommendations based on your viewing history and preferences. It's like having your own personal TV assistant that knows exactly what you want to watch. Say goodbye to endless scrolling through rows of irrelevant content. With Google TV, finding something to watch is no longer a chore. Google TV learns what you like and serves it up on a silver platter. The more you watch, the better it gets at recommending shows and movies that match your taste. It integrates seamlessly with all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max and more, so you can access all your content in one place. No more switching between apps, everything is right there at your fingertips. But it's not just about you. Google TV is designed to be a shared experience for the whole family. The Google TV Streamer 4K also features a dedicated Kids mode. This mode ensures that children have access to a safe and curated space where they can enjoy age-appropriate content without any worries. Parents can set up profiles for each child and control screen time and content restrictions. This means you can have peace of mind knowing your kids are watching content that's suitable for them. With the ability to manage screen time and set content restrictions, parents can ensure a balanced viewing experience for their children. It's a win-win for everyone. The whole family can enjoy their favorite shows and movies without any hassle, and if you're someone who loves having multiple control options, you're in luck. Google TV offers flexibility in how you interact with your device. The Google TV Streamer 4K comes with a voice-enabled remote so you can easily search for content, control playback, and even control your smart home devices using just your voice. Simply speak into the remote and let Google TV do the rest. Plus, you can also control the device using your smartphone or tablet with the Google TV app. This means you have the freedom to manage your viewing experience from anywhere in your home. Now let's talk about gaming. Gaming has evolved tremendously over the years, and today it's more accessible than ever. The Google TV Streamer 4K isn't just for movies and TV shows, it's a versatile device that can transform your living room into a gaming hub. It's also a pretty capable gaming device, offering a range of features that cater to both casual and serious gamers. While it's not going to replace your PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X anytime soon, it does provide a solid alternative for those looking to expand their gaming options. It offers a surprisingly good cloud gaming experience, allowing you to dive into your favorite games without the need for bulky hardware. With the power of Google Stadia, RIP, and GeForce Now, you have access to a vast library of games that you can stream directly to your TV. You can stream and play a growing library of AAA games directly on your TV, enjoying high-quality graphics and smooth gameplay, All this is possible without needing a dedicated gaming console, making it a convenient option for gamers of all levels. The Google TV Streamer 4K's powerful processor and support for high-quality Bluetooth controllers ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience, rivaling that of traditional consoles. And if you're ever stuck trying to figure out what to watch or play, the Google TV Streamer 4K has you covered with its intuitive interface. Its universal search function lets you search across all your streaming services and apps using just your voice or the remote, making it easier than ever to find what you need. No more jumping between apps or endlessly scrolling, just tell Google what you're looking for and it'll find it for you in seconds. This seamless integration of gaming and streaming makes the Google TV Streamer 4K a must-have device for any entertainment enthusiast. So, level up your entertainment experience with the Google TV Streamer 4K and enjoy the best of both worlds, gaming and streaming, right at your fingertips. Section 5. Sleek design, personalized profiles. Let's be honest, nobody wants a clunky device cluttering up their entertainment center. That's where the Google TV Streamer 4K's design really shines. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, easily blending in with your existing setup. The minimalist design extends to the remote as well. It's comfortable to hold and intuitive to use, with dedicated buttons for Google Assistant, Netflix, and YouTube, making it easy to access your favorite content. But the real game changer here is the multiple user profiles feature. Each member of your household can have their own personalized profile with their own watch lists, recommendations, and even app preferences. This means no more fighting over the remote or having your recommendations messed up by someone else's viewing habits. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference, especially for families or households with multiple users. Section 6. The Google Experience Amplified. Being a Google product, the Google TV Streamer 4K seamlessly integrates with the entire Google ecosystem. This means it works effortlessly with other Google devices like Google Home, Nest, and more, creating a unified and smart home experience. This means you can easily cast content from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to your TV using Chromecast built in. Whether it's your favorite movie, a viral video, or a music playlist, casting is just a tap away. Want to show off your vacation photos on the big screen? Easy. Just select the photos on your device and cast them to your TV for everyone to enjoy. Need to share a presentation for a work meeting? No problem. The Google TV Streamer 4K is perfect for professional settings too, making it simple to display your work on a larger screen. The Google TV Streamer 4K makes it incredibly easy to share content from all your devices. No more fumbling with cables or complicated setups, everything is streamlined and user-friendly. But it's not just about casting. The Google TV Streamer 4K also offers a rich selection of streaming apps. The Google TV Streamer 4K also gives you quick and easy access to a world of live events, news, and sports. Stay updated with the latest happenings or enjoy live sports action right from your living room. You can even subscribe to YouTube TV directly through the device and get access to live TV channels without needing a cable subscription. This means more flexibility and more choices for your viewing pleasure. It's this seamless integration with the Google ecosystem that truly elevates the Google TV Streamer 4K from a simple streaming device to a central hub for all your entertainment needs. Whether it's for personal enjoyment or professional use, the Google TV Streamer 4K has got you covered. Section 7. Plug, play, and be amazed. Now let's talk about my personal experience using the Google TV Streamer 4K. Honestly, it's been a breath of fresh air. Setting it up was incredibly easy, and within minutes I was up and running, streaming my favorite shows in glorious 4K HDR. The interface is incredibly intuitive and responsive, and I love how personalized my home screen feels. The recommendations are spot on, and I'm discovering new shows and movies that I wouldn't have found otherwise. The voice search is also incredibly convenient, especially when I'm too lazy to type out a long title or search term. And the dedicated buttons for Google Assistant, Netflix, and YouTube on the remote are a nice touch, making it super easy to access my most used apps. Overall, the Google TV Streamer 4K has been a joy to use. It's fast, fluid, and incredibly intuitive, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking for a premium streaming experience. Section 8. A few minor hiccups. Now it's not all perfect. There are a few minor things to keep in mind with the Google TV Streamer 4K. First off, like any streaming device, it relies heavily on a stable and fast internet connection. If your internet connection is spotty, you might experience buffering or lag, especially when streaming 4K content. Make sure you have a solid internet plan and a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. Another thing to consider is the availability of certain apps and services. While the Google TV Streamer 4K supports a wide range of popular streaming services, there might be some niche apps or regional services that aren't available in your region. It's always a good idea to check the app availability in your region before making a purchase, just to be sure. Section 9. The Verdict and Entertainment Powerhouse. So there you have it, followers. The Google TV Streamer 4K is a powerful and versatile streaming device that delivers an exceptional entertainment experience. It's packed with features, seamlessly integrates with the Google ecosystem, and offers stunning 4K HDR picture quality with Dolby Atmos sound. While it does require a stable internet connection and app availability might vary by region, the overall experience is incredibly positive. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your home entertainment setup, the Google TV Streamer 4K is definitely worth considering. It's a true game changer in the world of streaming, offering a glimpse into the future of how we consume content. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and insights. Peace out.